Welcome to the expanded overview of the cremation arrangement system. In this video, I will tell you more about payments, how to access and edit settings, and also show you how to generate a cremation summary report. To get acquainted with the cremation arrangement system itself, I recommend watching the dedicated video, link to which you can find in the description. Arrangement payments can be done by both crematorium manager and funeral director during the arrangement creation. Both have their respective interfaces, and can make a payment using a credit or debit card, bank transfer, cash or check. To pay via credit card, enter the card's number, expiration date and the security code, CVC. To pay by the transfer, click the Make a Payment button, Continue, then choose the bank you use. You might have to authorize on the bank's website using this option. Choose the Pay by Cash or Check in case you pay directly to the cemetery or crematorium. If the transaction is already done, check the Prepaid option. There is also an option to make a payment later. In this case, the payment can only be registered by a manager after the arrangement is created. To register such payment, a crematorium manager must find the arrangement in the arrangements list, select the option in the Status – Action drop-down menu of the record, or click the record to open the detailed view. Then select the dedicated Make a Payment button. There are several options here. Same as mentioned before, choose the one necessary. If payment for the arrangement has not yet been made or registered, the system will show you a warning message that indicates this. To continue the arrangement processing within the system, a payment is required. Crematorium management also supports the billing system. In this module you can see the funeral home's total number of the arrangements, their total cost, payments made, and expected payments. Crematorium manager can register payments with the Pay Now, or Pay in Full button. Click the funeral home record, then select Pay in Full, or scroll down to make payments for individual arrangements. The payment options copy the ones we talked about previously. Use filters to find the funeral homes necessary. You can also select the date range of the records shown or tick the Show Debt Only option. Back at the crematorium management page, select the gear icon at the bottom of the navigation bar on the left. This will forward you to the settings page. Here you can choose the category to edit. I will quickly go through them top to bottom. In crematorium info you can add photos, a link to a YouTube video, select the crematorium location and add the description if necessary. Don't forget to save the changes. In the schedule category, edit the operation hours in the weekly menu. Click the pen icon, a pop-up will appear. Choose whether the day is a day off or a work day and set the work hours. Add days off or change work hours for special days in the corresponding menu. Customize who should receive messages about new and cancelled arrangements in the notifications. Add, delete, edit or disable for time services that are available in the arrangement creation with the Services category. Click Add Service to create a new one. It will appear at the bottom of the list. To rename services, click their service name field. To change the service price, click the Price field. Remove the tick from the checkbox to suspend the service for time, or select the bin icon to delete the service. When you are done, click Save the changes. Next two menu categories are connected. Funeral Homes category allows you to add and edit funeral homes within the system, as well as add and assign funeral directors. To add a new home, click the button at the bottom of the screen. To edit homes, click the record and edit the necessary fields. Click Save Changes to apply them or use the Block Funeral Home button to set this home as inactive. You can revert this anytime. To add or assign directors, select the corresponding tab at the top of the record card. Select whether you assign an existing director or adding a new one. When you are done, click the Add Funeral Director button. You can also block a director to set them inactive or remove them from the funeral home. Funeral Directors menu also allows you to add a new director using a button similar to the previous menu. Change directors' information by clicking the record and editing the fields. Assign or remove them from funeral homes, change the password they use in the dedicated directors management system or block and set them inactive if needed. The seventh menu option is Crematorium Operators. It allows you to add and delete operators within the system. Added operators will be available to choose from when processing the arrangements. Let's return to the dashboard. In the navigation bar, find the checkbox icon. When selected, it will direct you to the Reports page. Here you can generate the cremation summary report. Click the corresponding field. Then in the Report Date filter, select the needed date range with the calendar button or type in the dates. The summary information will be displayed on the screen, but you can also export the data to PDF or Excel spreadsheet. To do this, click Export Report and choose the format. Generating the report takes a few seconds, then your browser will download the file. If you have questions about crematorium management or our workstation, please visit our help desk website to browse the articles or contact support with the link in the description. Thank you for watching.